Hi, this is Jaggy with Zenful Sleep. You can also find us at zenfulsleep.com. Today we're going to talk about 4 best white noise machines for sleeping in loud environments that will help you mask out sound so you can sleep. In my opinion, the best white noise machines are the ones that run during the night as you sleep on continuous sound. But before we go further, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Okay, who needs the best white noise machines for sleeping? Anyone with ringing ears, anyone who wants to avoid loud noises coming from outside, anyone who wants to avoid a snoring partner, anyone who sleeps in a quiet room but needs a little bit of sound going on, or those people who suffer anxiety. These are the type of people that will enjoy the white noise machines. Most of these people, if they use a white noise machine, will wake up feeling refreshed for the day. And plus, many psychiatrists recommend using the white noise machine for sleep issues. Some people just need a soothing sound when going to sleep. This helps them feel cocooned while they're sleeping, and it keeps their other senses on alert. Okay, the benefits of the white noise machine are improved sleep onset, masks out tinnitus, and noise blocking capabilities. When a person's falling asleep, the white noise machine can be quite efficient, especially which can be controlled by an app or decrease volume as a person falls into a deep slumber. It can also be powered up to run until morning. Noise masking or noise blocking capabilities are on many audible frequencies. It allows the users to block out noises. It works much better than listening to music, which may run on a loop. This doesn't run on a loop, but you can have white noise machines running on a loop. Anyone can use it. Masking out tinnitus. I'm a tinnitus sufferer myself. So I usually put on my white noise machine by my bed. It kind of helps to mask out the tinnitus sound, which can get pretty loud at times. Okay, so now let's talk about which ones we recommend. Number 1, the Snooze white noise machine. The features on it are remote control, nursery calibration, audio on and off scheduler, travel friendly, energy efficient, 10 tone control setting, 10 volume control settings, and over 500 positive reviews and 1-year warranty. Our number 2 recommendation is the original white noise machine. Features on this are customized non-looping sounds, completely risk-free, aids fussy infants, keeps out outside noise outside. Can be used in bedroom or office, over 10,000 positive reviews, 101 night trial, and you get a 1-year warranty. Our third one is the Electrofan high fidelity white noise machine, and it features 10 ambient noise variations, white noise, pink noise, and brown noise options, 20 unique digital sounds made for both adults and children, and can travel with you, precise volume control, over 4,500 positive reviews, and 1-year warranty. And our number 4th one is Big Red Rooster 6-sound white noise machine. It features 6 different sounds, great for tinnitus sufferers, masks out external noise, great for people needing daytime sleep, auto on off timer, powered by battery and outlet, excellent for infant use, and 1-year warranty. Thanks for watching this review, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. This is Jaggy from Zenful Sleep.